Running low on free space? In this tutorial, you'll learn how to free up space on your device. We recommend having at least 2 to 4 gigs free, or more if you're editing 4K projects. In VideoStar, there are a few ways to free up space. Unwanted projects can be sent to the trash. As deleting the projects from your device cannot be undone, you may want to back up your project before doing so. To learn how to back up your projects to iCloud, check out the Backup Your Projects tutorial. To permanently delete projects, go into the trash, select a project, then delete it. When deleting all projects in the trash at once, you'll need to wait 5 seconds before the Delete Forever button is available. Another way to free up space is by deleting the undo data and multi-layer bookmarks in a project. Deleting this data is permanent. VideoStar also has downloaded content such as the 3D object packs that can be removed. You can always re-download these later. Deleting temporary file space removes any current clip copied to the clipboard. This can be recovered later unless you've deleted the clip from the project. To remove unused clips and projects, open a project and choose a scene. Tap Select to view all clips within that scene. Press Edit, then the minus button to delete a clip. Remember, this will permanently delete the clips. To manage your device's storage, open the Settings app and navigate to the storage screen. Here you can view which apps are taking up the most space and clear up space accordingly. When deleting an app, please note that doing so may permanently delete data, unless it is saved to an account or backed up to a cloud-based site. When deleting photos, you can review which videos are taking up the most space. Make sure to also delete them from the recently deleted album.